Hello my dear everyone, I am back with my another tutorial on oil pastel. This scenery is going to be on snow area during evening time. Most of you don't know how to actually create a snowy land. So today you are going to learn how to create a snowy landscape. Draw the area following my drawing step. Start applying color from top with yellow orange first, then use pale orange and white to blend them. Also use blending stump for more accurate blend. Use yellow into sun and orange around of the sun. After completing your sky, use gray and black for those pine tree and blend them properly. Gradually use sky blue and ultramarine on land and blend them with white, also with blending stump. You can see there is dark and light shadow on trees so that your work will get depth between long viewed subject and close view subject. Use more white and gray for long distance tree and use less white and gray for close view trees. As they are land, just snow covered on them, so sometimes rock can be shown. As I apply black color into snow to create hard surface. As like as sky, use same color on water to reflect sky, also yellow and orange to create shining sun reflection. I also used dark brown on water to show shadow of trees. Use gray with ultramarine for dark shadow on land. Also use hard white line with white color for more snow details. Finally, use some orange around the sun. Also use the yellow orange to blend those orange color around the sun portion. So it will give your work a nice look and your sky will look better. Also you can see I have used some gray color on sky to create cloudy sky. No need to apply more gray, just a little bit gray and blend it with blending stem. For the spine trees, just use black color and use the blending stem. But remember, just sharp those blending stem so you can draw with blending stem. You can see after I have applied color, black color, also instantly I am using those blending stem to create those pine leaves, so it will look better. Because those pastels sometimes out of controls, so you have to control this with blending stem. Okay friends, that's all for today. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.